Hey there! This best Dashcam 4K checks all the boxes for what I've been looking for. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First up, let's talk about the design. It's absolutely gorgeous, sleek, stylish, and very premium. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, here is the real kicker. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. The best thing is how handy it is. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable and efficient. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly, just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low right now. Head over to the bio to grab yours before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.